What's going on, guys? This is Jack Harris here with MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 310 SLX outboard. You got twin 400 horsepower Mercuries on the back of this boat, which is plenty of power. It's got the quiet ride technology, so it's a really smooth and quiet ride out there running. All right, guys, now we're sitting back here on the aft seat or the sun lounger, looking at my 400 horsepower twin Mercury outboards, which is plenty of power for this boat. Moving on into the cockpit, we do have the gray sea deck throughout this boat, which is very nice, feels great on the feet. You do have your nice diamond stitch L-shaped seating here in the cockpit, as well as a refrigerator. You got your freshwater sink and prep station. Moving on to the helm of this boat, it is nicely laid out with twin Simrad screens, your Fusion audio, all your push button switches. You do have your digital Mercury throttles and your joystick, which makes docking a breeze on this boat. It does have a flip down bolster, so you can flip it up if you want to sit a little bit higher. Moving on over to the head of this boat, it is a freshwater sink down below, along with a pump out head. Moving forward, you do have a full windshield you can close off while you're underway. And up here in the bow, you got lots of ample seating with fold down armrests, which makes riding in the bow very, very comfortable. If you're interested in this boat, come check us out here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. My name is Jack, 601-520-7236.